So you want to send an email containing sensitive information, but you're afraid that someone could intercept the message and read the information. Thankfully, your FortiMail unit can encrypt your messages and safeguard you against your content-sensitive information being stolen. Now, there are two ways you can encrypt your email messages: content-based encryption and rule-based encryption. This video covers content-based encryption. Content-based encryption enables the FortiMail unit to find keywords in an email's subject header or message body to determine if a message should be encrypted. So, for example, if you send out an email with the word confidential in your subject header, FortiMail will encrypt the message. To encrypt your email based on the contents of the message, we'll first need to enable IBE encryption. To enable IBE encryption, simply go to Encryption, IBE encryption, and then select Enable. Configure the other settings to fit your needs. With IBE encryption enabled, we can now configure our encryption profile. Go to Profile, Security, Encryption. Select New. Enter a descriptive name for the profile. From the Protocol drop-down menu, select IBE. If you require more information on the rest of these settings, see the Encryption Profile section in the FortiMail Administrator Guide. Finally, select Create. With our encryption profile fully configured, we can now add our profile to the Content Action profile. The Content Action profile tells the FortiMail unit what to do if it encounters an email containing a sensitive word or phrase. Go to Profile, Content, Action. Select New. Select your desired domain and enter a descriptive profile name. Now, enable Encrypted Profile to apply an encryption profile. Select which encryption profile to use from the drop-down menu. Select Create. Now we'll need to establish the words we want FortiMail to scan for when determining if an email message contains sensitive information. Go to Profile, Dictionary, Dictionary. Select New. Enter a descriptive name for the profile. Select New in the Dictionary Entry section. Select the Enable checkbox. Type the word you want the unit to scan for in the Pattern section. For this example, we use confidential. Enable the two checkboxes at the bottom, Search Header and Search Body. That way, the unit will scan the subject of the message and the message itself for the word confidential. Select Create and then Create once more. Now we'll need to configure a content profile. Go to Profile, Content, Content. Select New. Expand the Content Monitor and Filtering tab and then select New. Select the Enable checkbox, then select the recently created dictionary from the Dictionary drop-down menu. Enter the number of times an email must match the dictionary profile before the unit takes action. Select the action you wish the FortiMail unit to take when encountering the words from our dictionary profile. We'll select the action we previously created. Select Create. The last step to configuring a policy is to use the content profile. Depending on whose email you want to encrypt, you can use either the IP-based or recipient-based policies. For example, if you want to apply the encryption to everyone's outgoing email for the whole company, you can create a recipient-based policy that uses the sender as *@example.com. For more information on recipient-based policies, consult the FortiMail Administrator Guide. Your FortiMail unit will now encrypt email messages that contain content-sensitive information. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.